Hello everyone, welcome back. Here's VanAmsen with another live coding challenge. So today we are diving into another exciting LeetCode challenge jump game. If you've ever been puzzled by array-based challenges, today your lucky day. So stick around and let's decode this together. Here is the challenge. We are given an integer array called nums, and each element in that array represents the maximum jump length from that position. And our mission is to choose to accept it to determine if we can jump from the beginning of the array to the end. So sounds thrilling, right? So let's visualize it. So we have following array. Let's write it down. So it's 2, 3, 1, 1, 4. And yeah, we can jump from 0 index to index 1, then make a leap from index 1 to the last index. So the answer here is true. So as you can see, the difference is 1, and here is also 1 jump and second, so output is true. But if we have another array, let's say 3, 2, 1, 0, 4, output should be false. Why? Because we get stuck at index 3, making it just impossible to reach the end. So the answer should be false. So now let's dive into the logic. So we will use a greedy approach. So our strategy is to keep track of the farthest we can reach from our current position. And if at any point we can't reach the next index, it's game over. But if we can continue jumping and reach the end of even farthest, then we output true. So let's write it down. So max reach will be 0. So we initialize our max reachable variable to 0, and this variable will keep track of the farthest index we can reach. And then for I in range len num, if I greater than max reachable, return false. So if we iterate through the num array, and if at any point current index I is greater than max reachable, it means we can't proceed further, so we immediately output false. And otherwise, we update our max reachable to be the farthest we can jump from our current position. So max reachable will be max reachable I plus num I, and otherwise return true. And if we have successfully looped through the whole array, it means we can reach the end, so we simply return true. Let's submit it, run it for syntax cases. So previous case array, true. Second array, false is unreachable. So now let's submit it for unsyntax cases to double check. So hopefully it will pass. Yep, all good. Straightforward implementation, beating 51% with respect to runtime, 37 with respect to memory. All good, and our code leaps through the challenge perfectly. And there you have it, the jump game challenge conquered with a touch of greedy algorithm magic. And if you found this video interesting, please give it a like and share, subscribe for more challenges, adventure, and much more. And remember, every challenge is a stepping stone to becoming a coding maestro. So until next time, keep coding and stay inspired.